So guys, see my baby and you see this one just came out last night. It was not here yesterday. Mama, say hi. Say hello. Oh, hey yo. Make rice because we ran out of rice. Stew. I just Hey lovelies, a blessed morning here from me, all the way from Lagos State, Nigeria. Welcome back to Juice Castle. It's another interesting vlog. So yeah guys, today is a new week, a new day, and also a new week, okay? I'm actually in my kitchen. Omoga is like but it's fine. The main thing is that she's recovering now. Okay. Joan was really down, even from my last video, if I can remember, where I said I would cook jollof rice. I was unable to show you guys again the jollof rice I made. Then that same that was on a Friday because I had a cleaner that came around. Hobby employed a cleaner that will be coming to assist me to clean my house every Friday while he pays her monthly. Okay, that will actually help me a whole lot. Okay, so that Friday was just helter skelter. I had a lot on my mind. Joan is my second daughter. Okay, she was just exhibiting some little traits of illness here and there. We managed. Saturday came, it became worse, like very worse. Hobby gave her both malaria, both for teething, because although initially this past week she's been stooling because of teeth. Every child has his or her own way that they react to teething. Okay. Joan is even a strong girl because with Excel will always cry. Joan cried actually, but as in, being that she has grown to some age, okay, some extent, okay, she's kind of like trying to maneuver every single thing to bear it and the rest of it. Unlike Excel, that would just cry throughout that time because Excel grew teeth earlier. As of 4 months, before her 4 months or entering her 4 months, Excel have already started growing teeth. But Joanne delayed up till, was it 8 or 9 months when she started growing teeth, her first teeth. So currently she's still growing teeth. But unlike Excel, at this stage, Joanne will be 2 years by March, but she's still growing teeth. But by now, it's not like I say I've finished growing teeth, but majority of her teeth is already out. So that's it. So Saturday was just hell for me. Joan would sleep and wake up and start crying. Everything would just be discomforting her, and the rest of it. Join with the heat. At some point, heat became so bad. Hmm. I don't know. Here in Nigeria, we are just suffering. Even when we have, I even thank God we even have inverter, that solar panel. We have light 247, but still we sleep under fan. But still, so at some point, she started reacting. I could not place my hand on what she was reacting, but I noticed rashes and the rest of it. Rashes was much on her body. It was scratching her. It was discomforting her. So that Saturday, I could not even go to market. It was later on in the evening that hubby helped me to go and buy some things. Okay. I think I displayed it, or I will display it. Okay. Then what is it called? I displayed it in my last video. Okay. Then I tasked myself to make that rice and stew that Saturday. Even at some point, my husband had to drink tea. He said I'm on my own. I should leave it till Sunday. I say no, Sunday. Me, I have not even eaten anything. Okay, I tasked myself. God help me. I tasked myself. I finished eating that rice and stew. I ate. Funny enough, men are not always satisfied with a particular food. He drank tea when I was making the food. When I finished, he still ate the rice that he said he will not eat, that he cannot wait for. Anyways, that being said, so moving over to Sunday, which was yesterday. Yeah, okay, on Saturday, that same Saturday, I tried and lose the Excel hair. I think so, yes. I tried and lose the Excel hair. Already I've lost Joanne's hair as of Thursday when they got back from school. So I lose the Excel hair that same Saturday while I was waiting for Hobie. Even as Joan was disturbing, I was able to manage to lose her hair. Then coming Sunday, which was yesterday, I finally braided the cell hair by myself. I was unable to video her. I had it in my, but it escaped my mind at the same time. So that's it, guys. Like, I braided her hair. Then at some point, I said, no, let me make Joanne's hair. Even though my hubby has said that she will not go to school today, being Monday, but then I said it's only the two of us, and she might give me headache making her hair when it's just the two of us. I still tax myself. I know some people will be like, no, you shouldn't have stressed her. I still just tax myself. And I believe the hair even helped her because, after parting the hair, it's just one that I made. While sleeping, at least breeze will be entering the root of her head, you understand? Yeah, and as I'm talking to you now, she's still sleeping. Isaiah is already off to school. School bus have come and picked her up. Hoping that by tomorrow she will be much more stronger. I mean, Joan. So that has been my life throughout the weekend, guys. Okay. My apologies if this intro is becoming so long, but I mean, I didn't see this coming. Although I know that after every first week of resumption, my kids fell sick. They used to get sick because it's not like they are sick, but when they go to school, the tendency of mixing with sick children is there. And mind you that my hubby also got antibiotics that same Saturday. He was now forced to give both Excel and Joan the antibiotics. Anyways, that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day. We are in the new year. I'm telling people that this January is gradually running, but they will not believe me. But anyways, that being said, Bobby is outside washing his car, getting ready for work and the rest of it. So it's just me and Joan. I'll just try and fix the things I have to do, okay, before she wakes up. So I know that when she wakes up, it's just to bathe and give her food. I just cross my hand and pray that she does not really disturb me a lot today, that she did not go to school. But hopefully by tomorrow she will go. I just want to watch her for today. Then by tomorrow she will join Excel back to school. So that has been your sister's struggle throughout the weekend. It was not really funny. As in, nothing discomforts a parent, especially when the child is sick. If he's weak, the parents we can adjust, but with our kids, we get discomforted easily. Anyways, that being said, catch you guys later. Okay, keep watching our channel, please. Like, subscribe, and be part of us. We'd love to have you here. Okay, bye bye, guys. This morning I had to quickly make rice because we ran out of rice. The one I made yesterday has finished. So this one I just made it this morning, so I said we'll take from it and go to school. This egg is actually a full egg, so I had to cut it into two because of Joan, while I put the other one for Excel. That's how I used to pat it to for both of them. Then this is the remaining stew. I just used only fresh tomatoes this time around. Joan does not like egg, so I'm just trying to see if she would start eating egg. So guys, see my baby. Mama, she's in pain. She's in pain. Serious pain. Honestly, see her hand. You see, this one just came out last night. It was not here yesterday. Likewise, her leg and some part of her body. Like, I just don't know. Right now, we have stopped all the medication we've been giving her. It's more like it's just only vitamin C. Even the antibiotics we've been giving her, we've stopped it. So I will know what she's reacting to. Okay. So it's just vitamin C that I'll give her. It's not be too long she woke up, and she just woke up when my husband was about to go to work. So it's just me and her. So that's it. See my agile baby. I want to bathe her now. I put hot water on fire. I want to bathe her now so that I will give her breakfast. Mama, say hi. Say hello. Oh, hey yo. Please say a word of prayer to her, but hopefully, probably before you guys see this video, she should be fine. Okay? She should be fine before you guys get to see this video. Hopefully. Okay, now keep watching, guys.
So guys, here we are. At this point, my husband have left for work. You saw him washing his car, and this is my pretty angel. It's just me and Joan left. I say I've gone to school. I'm still tackling. This is me trying to say I've not brushed, I've not eaten. It's not funny. Don't mind me. I'm giggling now, but it's not funny. I have to be frank with you guys. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is actually powder that I used to rub on the hands and leg, where the, let me just call it rashes, but that thing is not rashes. I believe she's reacting to something, but just to make things easy for me, anytime she has a little heat or something like that, it starts itching her. So most times I end up rubbing her powder, not just ordinary powder, I mean dusting powder. At this point you can see she's sleeping peacefully. This powder is a mentholated dustbin powder. It has been my savior this period because almost it's not easy for me. So whenever she starts, just imagine measles disturbing you, or chicken pox disturbing you. This is me right here with her. This position. Almost she could not even allow me to keep her on the chair. It's not a funny experience, but it's well. God be praised for everything, But this is my baby. At this point, we are 35 weeks. This that's the sign I just showed. 3 and 5, that's 5 weeks. This saying that some babies come earlier before 9 months. That's 1 month ahead. I'm just praying against that because lately I've just been having this it's more than just calling it a forced labor. The contraction is so real this period, probably maybe because of the stress or because I've been stressing myself lately, but I don't know. But I just know that the contraction has been coming back to back. It's not funny. More like baby is almost here. But let's see how it goes. Guys. It's not funny. And as I'm carrying Joan, if I want to keep her, once she turns and notices that she's not on my body, she'll start crying. Almost see me, I'm just in pain. There's a contraction coming and going. I was just trying to breathe through every step of the way. I just thank God for everything anyways. I can't wait to hold my bundle of joy. But one thing I've always asked God for is the grace to be able to labor at home as long as I can, regardless of how painful it could be. Then of which, once I get to hospital, I just pray. My prayer point is I give myself a maximum hour of 2 hours so that my baby will come through. Okay. So that is it, guys. I could not even do anything. Funny enough, this week is the week I plan to start, packing my hospital bag, doing some washings here and there, arranging stuff, only for Joan to just, start displaying this whole sickness. I mean, nobody prays for ill health, but I understand. It's just that, knowing the fact that I have not prepared anything at all for babying, I've not packed my hospital bag, I've also not washed baby's clothes, nothing at all. And with the way which this contraction is coming, guys, I don't know, just keep praying for me, keep putting me in your prayers. It's not really funny. So that is where I am, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point if you have, and keep praying for this pregnant woman. I mean, mothers, we are really trying. I'm in serious pain as you are seeing me right here, and see my